Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt without a yogurt maker. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk, and a small amount of plain yogurt with live cultures. Begin by gently heating your milk in a saucepan over medium heat. You'll want to bring the temperature up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius to ensure any unwanted bacteria are eliminated. Stir occasionally to prevent scorching. Once your milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. The ideal temperature for adding your starter culture is 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This temperature allows the beneficial bacteria to thrive. Next, whisk in about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. Thoroughly combine the starter with the cooled milk, then pour the mixture into clean jars or a heat-safe container. Now comes the incubation phase, which is crucial for thickening your yogurt. You need to maintain a warm environment for 6 to 12 hours. A good method is to place your jars in an oven with just the light on, or use a cooler filled with warm water. The goal is to keep the temperature around 100 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. The longer it incubates, the tangier and thicker your homemade yogurt will become. After incubation, your yogurt is ready for chilling. Carefully transfer the jars to the refrigerator and let them cool for at least 4 hours. This step helps the yogurt set further and develops its final texture. Your delicious homemade yogurt can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy it plain, with fruit, or in your favorite recipes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.